Hey, welcome back to my channel. I even got a sticker that says I love Euro. Let's see, there's the Audi logo. There's the Audi logo. Hey, po302, cylinder 2 misfire. Swapped the coils, still had a cylinder 2 misfire. Swapped the spark plug, had a cylinder 2 misfire. Cylinder 2 spark plug looked a little ashy, maybe like, oil, maybe some coolant. I couldn't really tell. It's real bad looking. So I thought it was these intercoolers on the supercharger leaking, because that's a common issue. But they're like $700 to $1,000. So I was like, I really need to make sure. So I threw the old trusty compression gauge on there, 25 PSI. So that leads me to believe that we got, the rings are shot. I may do a wet test on to see if it brings it up. But hopefully this helps you. I always do a compression check if swapping a coil and a spark plug does not fix it. But like and subscribe to my page. Hope this helps.